Hey, welcome back to Math with Patrick. Today is February 3rd, and let's try solving the 34th problem from this Daily Epsilon calendar. Alrighty. Find the ones digit of 7 to the power of 343. Okay, this is an obnoxiously large number. I think it's so big that if you try plugging it into most calculators, you're either going to get like some kind of overflow error, or maybe you're going to get something in scientific notation like 3 point stuff, I don't know, times either 10 to some really large power, or maybe you're going to get like an E. Either way, this is a very, very large number. There's no way for me to actually know what this number is without like a very powerful calculator. So let's get some help from Quill to figure out how to solve this problem. I'm just kidding. I don't think he's sure either. But I do know that even though I can't find this whole big number, I can find the ones digit. That's our goal. I think it'd be worthwhile to just try to find powers of 7 by hand and then see if there's a pattern going on in the ones digits. So 7 to the power of 0, anything to the power of 0 besides 0 is 1. It's kind of like the do nothing number for multiplication. So if I'm doing no multiplication, then 1 is the number that makes sense, at least to me. Let's see, 7 to the power of 1 is just 7. 7 squared is 49. 7 cubed, I have this one memorized, is 343. And it's kind of cute that they actually put 343 right there. I don't have 7 to the 4th memorized, so I guess I could just do a little bit of long multiplication here. I get a 21, I get a 28, add the 2 is a 30, and I have another 21 here, add the 3 is 24. Okay, so I get 2,401. Ooh, and this ones digit has repeated itself here, and I think this is the key. So when I do 7 to the power of 5, it will be 2,401 times 7. It doesn't really matter what my tens digit is, what my hundreds or thousands, or any of the digits really besides the ones digit, at least for this problem. Because once I do 7 times 1 and get a 7 down here, it doesn't matter what I multiply next. Those will all populate those place values. And my ones digit is 7. I don't need to figure out the whole big number. It's just going to be a 7 at the end. And then when I take a whole big number with a 7 at the end and multiply it by another 7, I'm going to get 49, carry the 4, but then it doesn't really matter what the rest of it is. My ones digit is going to be a 9. So with this repeated powering of 7, I'm just repeating my ones digits over and over again. So after a 7 right here, my next ones digit is going to be a 9, just kind of following that pattern from before. Then it's a 3, then it's a 1, and then I cycle through this pattern once again. I think it would be easiest to just count by my 4s, and I'll know that any power that's a multiple of 4, so 0 or 4 or 8 or 12, all of those are going to have a 1 in the ones digit. So let's just try to find a multiple of 4 that's kind of close to 343. Well, I know that 400 obviously is a multiple of 4. I could pare it down by like 20s. So like 380, 360. Oh, okay, yeah, 340. So 340 is a multiple of 4. I'm actually curious what multiple it is. So let me just do a little bit of division real quick. Looks like 4 goes into 34 8 times. And then that gives me a 32, subtract that out, got 20. Okay, so 85 times 4 is 340. So that confirms it is a multiple of 4. So I know that 7 to the power of 340 is going to be something, 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 something 1, or the ones digit is a 1. Then following the pattern, 7 to the power of 341 will be something, 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 something with a 7 at the end. 7 to the power of 342 is going to have a 3, right? No, 9. And then the next one, 7 to the power of 343, the one we're curious about for today, is going to have the same ones digit as this one. So it'll be something, something, something. At the very, very end will be a 3 in the ones place. Cool. And that is what I wanted to set out to find, and I found it. The ones digit of 7 to the power of 343 is 3. Cool. All done for today. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.